Hey, welcome to another science show here. Lucas just had a bloody nose, and so we took a blood sample from his bloody nose. We put it on a slide. We're using the Swift 380T right here, and take a look at this. This is so cool. We are looking at blood cells right here. This is really neat. We're really enjoying this microscope. It's the Swift 380T, and you can look through the viewfinder. And then we also have a camera set up right here, and it's going into our TV. And do we have another? We have another slide right here. I can show you. Here's what the slide looks like. So, you want to go ahead and take a look at this one here?
Mm-hmm.
And that's what we were just looking at here. And they're moving around. Why are they moving around right now?
I don't know for certain, but I think they're carrying oxygen.
Okay.
And they think they're still in the body. I don't know.
We're not sure why they're moving around. If you have any information, please leave it down in the comments, as we are, entry-level scientists here. But hey, what better way to learn than with this cool microscope? And we're going to be doing a lot of other experiments and looking at things with the microscope. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. But this is so neat. And do you have it on the high power one?
Yeah.
All right. Do you know which one that is?
Which one? That's high power.
What magnification that is?
That is I think that's 1,000.
Okay. You're not sure?
Mm-hmm. Oh, wait, that's a bubble.
Could be a bubble.
Yeah.
We're thinking that's a bubble right there.
Yeah, these are bubbles.
That round thing was a bubble, and here's the blood cells. Can you show me, can you bring it out, not at high magnification, but bring it out just a little bit here?
What do you mean? Just a little?
Like the medium one. Just to see what that looks like.
Yeah.
So the round ones, the white round ones, are probably bubbles. Very cool. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you subscribe and check out our other videos here. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Bye-bye.